Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making sesame chicken with bok choy, so easy and simple. So let's get right into it. We're gonna make the sauce first for the chicken. So you're gonna use 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I just eyeball my measurements, but I know it's about 2 tablespoons. Next, you need to add 3 teaspoons of sesame oil and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Again, I'm eyeballing because I'm used to doing this, but make sure you use your measuring cups if you don't know what you're doing, because you don't want to mess and you don't want to put too much of something. Now you want to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I wrote all the ingredients along with the measurements down in the description box. Add crushed red pepper. This is optional. I like it spicy, so you could put as much as you want or as little as you want, or you don't have to add this at all. It's totally up to you. Then you want to add 1/3 cup of water to the sauce and stir it up. Keep the sauce on the side for later. Now we're going to do our bok choy. In a skillet, you want to add cleaned bok choy and you want to cut off the white part on the end, just the bottom part. You want to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some red pepper flakes, and some salt to taste. Then you want to and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic cloves. You want to just keep this on the stove till we're ready to turn it on. I'm going to turn it on around the time that I put the sauce on the chicken. Cut up 1 pound of chicken breast into about 1-inch cube pieces. Coat the chicken breast in an egg wash, then dip it into a cornstarch and flour mix. In a hot skillet, add vegetable oil. Add the chicken, and you want to cook the chicken until it's golden brown on both sides. You want to constantly stir it up and flip it. This should take about 10 to 12 minutes. Take it out the pan. In a hot skillet, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You want to cook the minced ginger and garlic. The measurements are down below. You want to cook that for about 30 seconds till it's a nice golden brown. Lower the heat to medium-low heat. Then you want to add the sauce that we made earlier, and you want to simmer it for about 2 minutes. At the same time, you want to turn on the bok choy that we have on the stove. Put it on high heat. Now you want to add the chicken to the sauce that's simmering and make sure you turn it and well coat it. Turn the heat off and continue to stir, and it should look something like this when you're finished. Now the bok choy is frying, so you just want to mix it around a bit and just cook it for about 5 minutes. And in the end, it should look something like this. Now the food is done, you want to add scallions and sesame seeds. It's really up to you how much you want to put. I know it seems like a lot of steps and ingredients, but once you have these ingredients, you can make a lot of Asian-inspired dishes. If you like this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I'll have videos every week.